Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate your time and your visit to my channel. I have for this video another unboxing, another limited edition box. This time is from Lookfantastic. Of course they have, I think they have the best limited edition boxes. But this one is from Lookfantastic and Erno Lazlo, New York. It's called Hydration edition. The box looks like this. It's really heavy. And a couple words about this box. This box has our Lookfantastic and Erno Lazlo limited edition boxes. Here this essential limited edition box contains 6 hero products from innovative skincare brand Erno Lazlo, including 5 full-size products, which is not bad at all. The box is $75. If I will find a link, I will leave it down below as usually. And I was counting the prices, and I will leave the price for each item on the screen, and the total value came up to $255. So I used couple products from them before, actually 2 of them. I used the lotion toner and I really enjoy it, and the eye mask, which you saw in one of my, probably in my last haul. So let's see what we have in this one. Also, before going into the unboxing, I want to mention that Skin Store, which is kind of in the same group with Lookfantastic, has the same box, the same packaging, looks exactly similar. It's the same hydration edition, but they have just 2 items which are similar. The rest of the items are different. That one, they say it's the Skin Store one. It's $98. It's a little bit more expensive than this one, but that one is worth, of course, more. I was counting the items. They say has a value of $282, but I counted the items by their website, and the value came up to $297, a little bit more. So I will show you that one when will come, and I will tell you which products are similar in the 2 boxes. I think the 2 of them are great. As after I'll get the other one, I'll put those boxes together and I'll have a review for each item from them. If I have something else, I will add it to that video, to that review. In the meantime, let's see what we have in the box. The box is really heavy. We have full-size products, and different than other boxes, comes with a drawer, which I think it's great for storage. Here is the print on the box, and here is the drawer. Comes with this pink paper with the Lookfantastic Erno Lazlo logo. And we have a booklet like in the Lookfantastic monthly box or any other limited edition. Here is the booklet, and here is the box inside. I was looking today for those products because I was printing the information regarding the box when I placed the order, and I will tell you the prices, of course. But so far the box looks great with those full-size items in a marble print. And let's see what we have in here. I am very excited about this box and the one that is on the way from Skin Store. So let's see what we have in here. I will go with the first item. This is Hydrate and Nourish Celitil. I am not so sure how to pronounce this one, I have no idea, but anyway, it's a night cream in 50 milliliters, and the price for this one is $46. So here is the product and the name, of course, and let me show you the box inside. And this is one of the products that comes in the the other box too. This one came in one of the advent calendars also. So we have a night cream, which is $46. Then we have another box in here, and this is from the same line, Hydrate and Nourish. This is Hydrotherapy Memory Sleep Mask, still in 50 milliliters. And the sleep mask, it's $43. It's an overnight mask that you're supposed to use. I got a couple details when I was looking for prices. You're supposed to use this one after cleansing and then nothing else, just go to sleep. So is this one, and the box is similar with the night cream. So here is another full size product. Then we have the second product that comes in the other box also, and you saw this one in my hauls. This is the Erno Lazlo Multitask Eye Serum Mask. Comes with 6 of them, and this box is $35. So is this one. Then we have in here this guy, and this is Exfoliate and Detox Purifying Detox Double Cleanser in 3.3 ounce, which is 100 milliliters. So this one is $55, and it's a morning cleanser. Let's try to open this one. I was looking at the direction how to use it. This one looks so interesting. I don't know if you can see those tiny balls in here, black. It's like a gel cleanser. Pretty interesting. If you use this one, let us know how it works. So far looks pretty cute. I'm curious to see how those balls are working. Anyway, it's a detox cleanser, $55. Prices are not affordable at all. Probably it's not gonna be easy to buy those products separately because it's quite a lot. Adding them, it's a big value. Then another product in here, it's the Exfoliate and Detox Light Controlling Lotion. Is this one. This one came many times in a tiny sample in many boxes. This one is the full size, 200 milliliters, which is 6.8 fluid ounces. And let's see how this one looks. The lotion, and actually this one is a toner. It's $60. Comes in 6.8 ounce. I would pay $60 for a toner. I don't know, it's expensive, but anyway, the size is quite good, will last a while. I tried this before and I love it. Happy to have the full size. This one doesn't come in the other box, but there are other beautiful products. And we have one more item, and this is Exfoliate and Detoxifying Hydrogel Mask. As far as I know, this one comes with 2 steps. Not so sure. It doesn't say that it's a 2-step one. I saw one, it comes with 2 pieces, that's for sure. I think this one is $16. So here is the mask. The other box from Skin Store comes with 2 different masks, but I'm not gonna tell you any other detail. I'll let you check them. So I will leave the links down below if you wanna check those 2 boxes. High-end brand, very expensive and very effective. So this is the last product in the box. We have a face mask. We have 6 eye masks, which this is one of my favorite eye masks. We have a full-size toner, a full-size cleanser, a night cream, and a mask. So I think it's well worth it, $75. there are always all kind of offers when you buy those limited edition. If you have the chance to get a free gift, that's not bad at all. So yeah, that's kind of all for this box. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think about the box. I will leave the links to check the box if it's still available, and the other one from Skin Store. So that's kind of all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys very soon. You have an amazing day. Bye bye.